I found many recipes for the beetroot to turn it in meat, like meat for hamburger, etc. So I will show you the proportion. For the proportion, you see, I put this of garlic, but in all proportion, it depends you taste or you like it. So after the garlic, I put pepper. This one is not so hot. So after the hot pepper, I will put curcuma. Well, it should be enough. Now some salt. Salt, it depends of each one. So that's it. Now I have add onion, but eventually you can cut the onion in little pieces and put it after the mixer, because all this will be mixed. But if you want a bigger part of onion, you can put it, add it at the end and go to fry it in oil. Now the sizing of the flour, it's important because if we put too much flour, it will be the taste will be a little bit strange. The volume of flour is close to the volume of the beetroot. I have added some olive oil, so it will be a glass, maybe this volume of a glass, so in centiliter. Anyway, when we fry it, we'll add oil to make it cook. Now I had 3 eggs. Maybe we can put 4 of them. Before to mix it, I cut in little piece the beetroot. I finished to mix it. The texture, it's good enough. It's not so thick and not so liquid. So now it's correct. I don't like so much the color. It's pink. Maybe in the video we don't see it, but it's still little pink. So I will add a little more curcuma. And now it's the delicate part. I warm olive oil, some olive oil. Now I will repart it little bit thick, like a steak, like hamburger. It will be maybe close to 1 centimeter deep. This. Okay, so this is a delicate part now. I choose to put at 3. I will put it at 2, because if it too hot, it can burn the steak. So I will put slow, but programmation, more time in programmation. Example here, I will make 20 minutes, and then I will see how it fry, and I will turn it after that. Okay, it's slow. I put it at 3 because it's too slow at 2, and I will cover it. It will cook a little bit over it. In my cooker 3, it seems to be hot. I don't want to burn my steak. I will take a look the other way. It's going quickly. At 3, it's going quickly. For 10 minutes, I will turn it another time. Okay, finish the time. I just turn it. The oil is still hot, so I will let it this way. In 5 minutes, we can eat it. That's it.